Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to talk about how you can fix Bluetooth connected but not sound in Windows 11, and it will be a step-by-step video for you guys. So without any further ado, let's get started. So you just need to come over here, this button Windows, then search for Bluetooth here, Bluetooth, and other device setting. You will open into the setting, and here you just need to go over here Bluetooth setting. Once you come over here, then go back to your USB or device or camera, whatever your Bluetooth connected with that place. You just need to be select that one set. Like I am using the Bluetooth mouse, then that's why I select this one, and you just need to be find it out. Yes, it is working properly. Once it's done, you can go over here, you can check out your sound also. Like if you're using Bluetooth sound, then here you can see we are using this Boya mic in here as it Bluetooth. So I select this one, and it is currently perfectly in here. That drive is unavailable. Then you just need to go to the system and then go to the sound, and you just need to be select your Boya microphone in here. Once it's done, now you can see it is working. So in this way you can fix your Bluetooth problem in your Windows 11. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day.